Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are trading with the pulse indicator, and we just did a session with the pulse indicator on NQ, and this time we are in the crypto market. We are on Pepe and we're gonna see how it performs in the crypto market. If you don't know what pulse is, again, it's our newest release, our new indicator, all based on order flow, all based on order book, volume data. And let's enter this trade. But yep, it's based on order flow and it finds optimal entries using order flow. And if you are using this tool, guys, please try and configure it as much as possible, because sometimes the settings are very important. So we get our first entry, guys. So we get a bearish signal. This is represented by a red arrow, and this means that there's a lot of bearish activity going on in the last couple of bars. So it actually uses the previous few bars to calculate these positions, not just the bar that you're on. It's not just the one candle, it's the multiple candles over the last few seconds or minutes, whatever time frame you're using. And yeah, this looks like a good signal so far. We are moving down, as you can see, with nice decrease in delta as well. And of course, I always use CVD alongside my strategies, alongside my trading sessions. CVD, very powerful tool, as you all know. I can't stress it enough. So yep, moving down really nicely so far in this trade. Okay, we're gonna hit a take profit. Beautiful. A lot of volatility just came in, as you can see by that delta, and now we are coming down to a support level, so we'll see if there's any reaction there. Okay guys, I've entered a long position here. So we get a bullish pull signal this time around. Now the delta is quite neutral and it's not very strong, but the candle was indeed very strong with a lot of buying activity within it. So a little risky, a little bit of a risky trade, I would say. I'm not too certain about this one, just due to the fact that that delta is still neutral and it's not as bullish as it should be, especially with a big candle like that. One of the most important things with delta is you want the delta and the price action to kind of match and correlate. So if it's really strongly uptrending, you want the delta also to be strongly uptrending. This is a healthy trend, and if you kind of don't see a correlation between the two, that could be a sign that, you know, it's not actually moving in that direction and there's a divergence. It might move against you, and yeah, that's a really important thing. And you know, I might have broken a little bit of a rule here by entering long, because the delta is not in fact that strong.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we get stopped out, guys. So second trade of the day is a loss. As you can see, that delta is negative and the pulse indicator was not quite correct on this occasion, but we're going to keep going, see how it goes. And okay, we actually get a signal. We're going to enter this one. Now, again, you might say, why'd you enter? The delta is super weak. But now we get two pulse signals at a similar price level. So this means that at the same exact price level, there's a lot of buying going on, a lot of absorption going on. And usually if you see bullish or bearish signals at the exact same price level, these are very, very strong indications that price is actually going to go into that direction of those signals. So I'm going to listen to this one. I feel okay about this trade because we didn't actually break structure to the downside. And yeah, this might be an equal low. And as you can see, we're already moving up towards our take profit. So this may be a good call, and the delta is slightly increasing. As you can see, it's starting to curve upwards, and that's what you want to see, especially at the start of a trend. Once it starts curving upward, then you're going to see the big volatile candles follow that. So we didn't lose much with that loss because our risk to reward ratio is 2 and our wins are twice as big as our losses. So we should be okay in that front. As long as we win even 50% of our trades, we're going to be in the profit. But we are approaching our take profit, which is just at the previous high level.
Order cancelled.
And we hit it. So very good trade. So nice recovery there after our loss. And we took a long position, worked out well, and we won it. So okay, another alert, guys. delta is quite healthy now. It's moving up with no major pullbacks, and we get another long position. So another signal in the long direction, and we are going to take it. The delta looks good. We've been kind of uptrending in the past minute or two, and take profit is just below those next resistance levels, which is good. We can exit our position before we, hit that level of liquidity. And guys, I got a few questions about, is the pulse indicator automated? No, it is not automated. I am manually entering these positions using hotkeys. So if you get a signal, guys, and you like to look at a signal, you can enter a position. You don't need to enter the position. It's just an indicator. It's not an automated strategy. And guys, we get another pulse signal. So this is really, really good. We get another pulse signal in the direction of our trade. So we're in a long position, and price kind of pulled back below our entry point, but now we get a lot of buying coming in, and another pulse signal is telling us that this is going to go up. So beautiful signal and instant reaction from that. As you can see, already moving up, breaking the previous highs. Delta is looking pretty good too, pretty healthy. So the price action and the delta moving in the same direction, like I said previously, that's a good sign that the price is going to continue that way until you see a divergence. But yet again, we get another pulse signal. Okay, so 3 pulse signals in the space of one long trade. Really, really good to see that. That's just confluence. It's boosting my confidence that this is going to continue in this direction. Now just waiting for some more volume to pump in so we can here take profit. And now we're getting very close. So those signals are correct, and we do here take profit. Beautiful. Let's see if there's a reaction at this resistance level. So far so good, guys, with the signals. And even on the trade that we lost, the signal was actually quite correct. We just kind of got stopped out, unfortunately, but we won the rest of our trades so far. So now we are at resistance levels, and these red and green lines, this is the support and resistance indicator as we print a new level. So this is our support and resistance indicator. It's completely free. You can get it on our website. And let's enter this position. We got a pulse signal. Now we are going to enter into the short direction. Now you may ask, why do you enter this with the delta being so uptrending? Well, I'm just taking a gamble here. This is what trading is at the end of the day. You don't know for sure where price is going to go. But we reached a level of resistance, and at that level we get a pulse signal. It actually makes that signal much more powerful and much more trustworthy. So the pulse indicator is telling us there's a lot of selling going on in the few bars at that resistance point, and we're going to take it. We're going to take its word, and we're going to enter that position. So now we're in a selling position, already moving towards our take profit. So very strong reaction from that resistance point. This means that there was a lot of demand there. So we're going to move our stop loss up closer to our entry point, just to minimize our losses if it does hit it. But as you can see, very close to our take profit. This should be a win. And it is a win. Very good trade. So we're going to make that our final trade because this session was quite successful. We did lose one trade. It was quite unlucky. But ever since the beginning of this trading session, the calls have been pretty much all correct. We just kind of got unlucky with the stop loss on that one. But very, very good signals. This is the pulse indicator on the ATAS trading platform, guys. If you want access, please visit the links in the description. If you want access to any other indicators or our FlowPro bot, you can also do so on our website. Please get it all there. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, give it a comment. I'd really appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.